So with using a spreadsheet server, once we set up everything, we can just change the period. And it allows me to go out there, change the period, and I can retrieve all the necessary information that I want. I can do something that may have taken me 8 hours in a matter of 3 to 5 minutes. So that's huge.
One of our reports, we had a number of different kinds of savings. It ran 30 minutes before, and now it runs maybe 2 minutes. So there was a big, huge time savings there. There was also a savings in manual effort. We don't have to do anything manual anymore, therefore there is nothing that we can do that would have an error in it from a manual kind of fixing. And then the third one is that if we had to do any kind of changes, we would need outside people to come help us do them. And so there was a money issue there, and now we can do it all ourselves with Spreadsheet Server, so we're saving money too. So time, money, and effort.
With Spreadsheet Server, I easily created complex reports for management reporting, cash flow statements, transfer pricing, and numerous other applications. The result was a savings to me of over 40 hours a week at the busiest time of the quarter.
So it's really been a time saver for us and allowed us, as our business grows, to be able to adapt to that more efficiently. We have a faster close process. We've cut off a day from a 5-day close to a 4-day close, despite the fact that our business has substantially grown over the last few years.
Now that I've set it up in Spreadsheet Server and built the report, all I do is literally open the file and 2 seconds, it's done. So once we close our period, and then I just go ahead and open it and run it, and I'm done. So probably what took me maybe 20 minutes, half hour, now takes me 2 seconds.
The finance team spent about 3 weeks every month creating our monthly reporting package, and I believe that's down to about 3 days now.
One of the big things that we've used it for is to produce financial reports or financial statements for our school boards. And prior to Spreadsheet Server, it would take up to an hour to produce one report. And now with queries that we've built through Query Designer and then generating those, it takes about 5 minutes per school.
During this, the query design training, we were able to take one of those charts he did and just replicate it real quickly in Query Designer, and that would save about 10 hours right there.
I would probably estimate, depending on the task that was being done, especially mostly right now we're doing like our variance analysis on the expense side of things, and I would say it took that team roughly 1.5 days to 2 days to get all of their analysis done. And from what I can tell, it's been about a day now. We've cut out about a half to a full day.
Prior to Spreadsheet Server, we had a lot of information that we downloaded from SAP into Excel and had to manually manipulate the data. It was taking us anywhere from 3 to 5 days to create the financial statements in the way that we needed them for the airport system. After Spreadsheet Server, it takes us about 5 minutes.